Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're having an amazing day. What we are making together is Efo Riro. I know it's gonna be delicious, yummy, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell below so you can receive an update anytime we drop a new video. So let's get cooking. The ingredients are goat meat and tripe or your choice of meat, 3 red bell pepper around 2 pounds, 6 habanero. You can use more, you can use less, and if you don't like spice, you can do without it. 1 onion, half cup of dry crayfish, 2 tablespoons of locust bean, red palm oil, Maggi, salt to season, 2 pounds of blanched spinach or your choice of vegetable like collard green, kale. I'm starting by adding salt and water to the crayfish so you can soften it and be able to soak in the sauce. So I will leave it for now. I'm adding 2 cubes of Maggi to my tripe and goat meat. You can use any type of meat, and a little salt and onion. And I'm going to add water, so it depends on the consistency of the meat. If I need to add more as I go, I'm going to add it. So it's probably I cook for 20 to 40 minutes. With the pepper you can use less or more habanero, it depends on what you want. And I'm just going to pause because I need a rough consistency. So this is the consistency I need. The meat has been cooking probably for like 10 minutes now. So it's still not ready. I'm just going to let it continue to cook. I'm checking the meat. It's been cooking for between 20 minutes now. So the skin is still tough and I'm going to continue cooking it until it's soft. So, and I'm adding more water to it. So the meat is ready now, so I'm just going to pour it in the bowl so I can wash the pot. So now I'm adding the palm oil to the pot. I don't need it to be too hot now. I'll add my onion and my locust bean, which is Eru. I will stir gently, and there goes in my already chopped pepper and my stock. You don't need to add too much so it won't be too liquidy. Stir together. I'll let it cook. This is the crayfish and it's ready to go inside the sauce. So I'm going to pour the crayfish in the sauce and stir all together. You can see the sauce started here and it has reduced to this quantity. I'm still going to continue on cooking it. I'm going to stir. You can see the sauce has been cooking for like 30-35 minutes now, and I'm ready to add my meat. So don't forget I did not add any salt and Maggi to the sauce because of the meat. So now I'm going to stir very well. So I'm still going to add the remaining meat. If you don't need to add all the meat, don't add it. So now I'm going to taste it. I will add 1 cube of Maggi. And a little quantity of salt. Wow, it's looking delicious. So I will let it continue cooking. Wow, this looks beautiful. I wish you are here to see this. Wow, it smells amazing and it's making me hungry already. I guess I have to put water on the stove to make something. Maybe amala and bayon. Yeah, just to make something. My sauce is ready. Let me wash my hands so I can add the spinach. I'm using spinach, but you can add any vegetable of your choice. You can use collard green, kale. Anyone is fine, and you can use frozen spinach. It works fine with this. I have my vegetable already blanched. If you can't use the blanched vegetable, just use the frozen one. mix. And I will add more. I've added my spinach, and the next thing is to taste. Delicious. I'm just gonna add some salt. You can see after adding the spinach, I'm just gonna leave for like 3 minutes so they can get to know each other. Wow, this smells good. I wish there is something called smellinology so you can smell it from home. The Efo Riro is ready to go down with pounded yam, and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below.